Hello everyone, this is Dr. MK and in this video I am going to discuss nitration of aniline, in which what are the possible products that can form when you treat aniline under the condition of nitration and what is the reason behind the formation of those products, and at the end of the video I am going to discuss a couple of questions which are based on NEET and PG TRB examinations. First, let us discuss the lone pair electron distribution of aniline. If you check this compound, nitrogen has lone pair of electron and it will try to give its electrons towards benzene ring. As a result, this pi electron will move towards ortho position. You will get a negative charge here, and this negative charge comes between these two carbon atom, means this pi electron will move towards para position and you will get negative charge here, and this negative charge comes between these two carbon atom, means this pi bond will move towards ortho position and you will get a negative charge. And if you combine all the resonance structures together, you will get negative charge at ortho positions and the para position, and you can say that electron density will be maximum at ortho and the para positions, and you can say this amino group as ortho para directors. And if you apply this concept with nitration of aniline, means for example, aniline is treated with nitric acid and sulfuric acid, which is considered to be nitrating agent, and we may expect the formation of para-nitroaniline and ortho-nitroaniline as products, and this is a expected product only. But actually what happened is, when aniline is treated under the condition of nitration, you will get 51% of para product, 47% of meta product and 2% of ortho product. And if you check here, you get a new product which is meta, that is 47% of yield. And what is the reason behind the formation of this product, that we are going to discuss in the next slide. For example, aniline is considered to be basic in nature. When base is reacting with acid, means it forms salt. The same concept is applied here. When aniline is reacting under the condition of acid medium, it reacts with this H plus and it forms anilinium ion, and this anilinium ion can have two kind of electronic effect. First one is resonance effect, another one is inductive effect. Let us see resonance effect, and it is considered to be electron withdrawing group, since nitrogen atom is having positive charge. So we may expect this pi electron will move towards nitrogen atom and it may form this type of resonance structure. But if you check the valency of nitrogen here, that is 5, that is 5 bonds are surrounded on this nitrogen atom. But generally nitrogen valency is 3, or it can extend its valency up to 4. So 3 or 4 can be the possible valency of nitrogen atom, but here the valency is 5, so this type of resonance form will never happen. So if you check with the electronic effect, that is resonance effect, means it is not possible with anilinium ion. So what is the other one, that is inductive effect, that we are going to discuss here. So here inductive effect means that is pulling of electrons towards sigma bond. Yes, it is possible here because it is connected to sigma bonds only. So here this electron can move towards nitrogen atom which is having positive charge. As a result, this sigma bond electron will move towards here, and here the sigma bond electron will move towards this nitrogen atom. As a result, here the sigma bond electron will move towards nitrogen atom. Yes, inductive effect is possible, and as a result of inductive effect, you may get partial positive nature on carbon atoms. For example, this position will get more positive charge since it is connected to this nitrogen atom closely. And if you check with the meta position, the positive charge nature will be somewhat less, and if you check with the para positions, the positive charge density will be the lowest. So here highest positive charge, here you have lowest positive charge. And if you consider with electron density, here lowest positive charge means electron density is more. So you can say here highest electron density, here you have lowest electron density. So if you check this meta position, it is in between these two, and you can say this is highest, means you can say this is higher electron density in comparison with ortho position. So that is the information that you need to understand. So in anilinium ion, no resonance effect will take place, only inductive effect, that is minus I effect is operating. It is said to be minus I effect, whereas minus R effect is not at all possible. So with this idea, let us discuss with the product, and you can check this electron density is highest, this is higher, and here lowest. This is about electron density. So in nitration, the electrophile that is formed is nitronium ion NO2 plus, and it needs electrons. So this nitronium ion will react with the carbon atom which is having highest electron density easily. For example, here you have highest electron density at para position. So it reacts with the nitronium ion, means you will get 51% of the product, para product. And the next higher electron density you have is meta position. So it reacts with the nitronium ion, means you will get 47% of yield. And you can check this yield is, which is 51 highest, and you can check the next highest is 47%. And if you check with the ortho position, that is electron density is lowest, so it cannot react with the nitronium ion that easily, and as a result you will get 2% of yield in the case of ortho product. So this is the explanation behind the formation of ortho, meta and para product of aniline. So we can conclude with this reaction. So when aniline is treated with nitric acid and sulfuric acid, you will get 51% of para and 47% of meta, 2% of ortho. So this is about the reaction. So now let us discuss some questions which are based on nitration of aniline. First question is NEET 2018. So that is nitration of aniline in strong acidic medium also gives meta-nitro-aniline because. So nitration of aniline also gives meta product. What is the reason behind that? So in the absence of substituents, nitro group always go to meta position. No, it is wrong. So if you have substituent only, you can say ortho meta para. If you do not have substituent, means you should not say ortho meta para. So this option is not at all logically correct. So next thing is, in electrophilic substitution reaction, amino group is always meta directive. As I said earlier, this amino group is not meta director, it is ortho para director. So it is also wrong. So next thing is, in spite of substituents, nitro group always go to only meta position. This is also wrong. So that substituent can be electron donating or electron withdrawing, or it can be classified as ortho para director or meta director. So this is also wrong. So the last option is, in acidic, that is strong medium, aniline is present as anilinium ion. Yes, it is correct one, because after the formation of anilinium ion, it deactivates the ring. As a result, you are getting meta product because of minus I effect, and that is a reason. Okay, we will go to the another question. This is asked in PG TRB examination 2013. It is simple question. Mononitration of aniline in strong acid give. So you may get ortho, meta, para product, but they are asking only one product. So which one you need to select? You have to select the product which is having highest in yield. Which is highest in yield? That is para product, and you will get, that is para nitroaniline. That is the answer. That is option C. That's all. So guys, I hope you are able to understand the reason behind the formation of ortho, meta and para products during the course of nitration of aniline. And if you feel the same, you give a like and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and ask your friends to subscribe the channel, and I will meet you all with more interesting topics. Until then, take care. Bye.